So right now we are 3D printing out this 3D scanned object. It's using about the same color filament, this gold colored filament from this is gold filament from, I think, printrbots. It didn't like the bottom edge of it too much. I was putting like a piece up under it. Oh, there it goes. It's finished. The original. Kind of rough and ugly. Hold on. That's not bad. I need to make a bigger one so that I can get more of the detail in there. Let's see if I can get it. Cool, cool. I can see some of the detail. I was trying to do it, but I need to make a bigger version of it. See you later. Thanks for watching.